Learn this one first.
Welcome back once again to Kwame, and today on another video. In addition to our gadget, we've gotten a drone. Okay, we have a drone now, and this drone is for most of our new projects, and I'm so excited to add it a drone footage to my videos from henceforth. And today is my first day piloting, and I'm here to try my hands on piloting a drone. So that's the content for today.
It's not for him. It's not for him. It's never for him. It's mine. Hey,
okay, so behind me is my team. We have a production company as well, so they assist me with most of my production, my video production as well. I just hope I don't crash the drone in a way, because we are really relying on it to produce amazing content in the future. So let's see how it goes. You are coming to make it a try. Give it a try, actually. See you.
Left, right, then something. Left this one, now. You make me use this one first.
Oh, okay, make I left that one.
Learn this one first before you come here. This one, then go up, make us go up. Down. I'll go up. I'll go up.
Make I tell.
Hey! Okay, so that is I will learn this one.
I see it go here. I see.
Oh, they look the screen.
They look the screen. Okay. So always, you want to use like high or left and right there. The camera for face.
Yeah.
Where you the face now.
Yeah, I see.
Make it. Now see. Hold on. You see the grid line there. You just go to the left and right. So you go straight.
Okay.
So you use the grid line to check.
Okay.
Did you record?
No, I didn't record it. Yeah. So, yeah.
The camera they move, and the camera they move automatically. While they do the movie, like high for movies. With the sports mode.
That was literally my first day of piloting a drone. My first lesson class. And this was my cameraman. Wait, Jimmy time. Yeah, today they use your sense more. Today they use your sense more.
I didn't use anything.
Today, the first you not get. I know you know should I get. Today we use some like 0.000%. Are they praises that you don't want to take? Are they praises you don't want to take? So right after here, we are going to watch the footage and see what the silly things I did. Okay, that I did record. I nearly crashed the drone, but that was like, you know, it was like what do you call it? It was just impulse reaction from my manager. He thought I was crashing it, but I wasn't. I know what I was doing, and he impulsively reacted. Hey, no, don't do it that way. Oh, manager, director, I beg. Next time, have you patient with me, I beg. Rest studio. So that's it for today. A very short and precise video about my first day piloting a drone. Watch out for more content. I'll be your pilot from now. Oh, hey, yeah. I'll be your main pilot for the drone most often. So I have to specialize and learn it to the end. So until then, see you in the next video.